If you want to make money off of your own personality, YouTube's the place to be. With barely any limits on what you can post, it supplies the most creative freedom you could ever ask for. So how do you make money off of YouTube? Well, you're probably not very funny or creative, neither am I, it's fine. But there's still hope for us. A new wave of revolutionary content has arose, and it's getting attention fast. Smaller channels have begun to leech off of Twitch streamers in hopes to lure in fans, and this strategy is working flawlessly. I mean, just check out 10 Big Hot Men. This 10 Big Hot Men. This channel is entirely based off of taking Twitch streamers' content and using it for themselves, and they're bloody good at it too, with over 10k, what the fuck? 100k? So how do these people do it? How do these people rip content away from creators and get so much attention? Well, first of all, these leeches don't get any of the attention. They just get all the money. Nobody watches these channels care about the quality of the content. They just want more out of their little parasocial relationships they have. I mean, I can't judge them. I have a few, and I might be creating a few. I don't think so. I mean, that's how these channels exist. It's just leftover content for, like, fueling parasocial relationships. A lot of people on YouTube watch people for their personality instead of actual content. For people who have no personality, such as yourself, this style of leeching off of others is a very good idea. And it's working great on YouTube. And there are a fuck ton of great reasons why you should become a leech. I mean, first of all, you get a fuck ton of money. Like, who doesn't want money? And second, you get even more money. And you don't have to do shit. You just screen record Twitch. I mean, there are a few drawbacks though. Leeches take money away from creative channels that actually make YouTube a great place. I mean, without them, what would YouTube be? Without them, there would be nobody to leech off of. I mean, if you don't give these people money, it won't encourage them to make any of this great content that's on YouTube. I mean, anyone who leeches is just taken away from people who actually do hard work. And that's shitty, man. Don't do that. I mean, you're putting shitty effort into a shitty screen recording, and you're getting way more money than any of these creators are. I mean, like, what the fuck? They're ruining YouTube, to be honest. Can we get them off?